Hey guys, we're making quinoa patties today. Hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any upcoming recipes. So first, I'm going to start off by rinsing the quinoa. So we're adding 2 cups of water to 1 cup of quinoa. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add a half a pack of chicken broth to give it some flavor. And the ingredients that we're going to be using are 1 grated carrot, 1 small onion diced, half a red pepper diced, 1 teaspoon of garlic, a handful of parsley, 1 egg to bind everything together, salt and pepper to taste. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and a 1/4 cup of flour. Our quinoa is ready. So now I'm just going to let it sit and cool off for a little while, and then I'm going to use 1 cup of quinoa to the recipe. So to the pan, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to start sauteing the vegetables. So it's about done. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl, and I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to mix it with the quinoa. So I'm allowing the vegetables to cool off, and also the quinoa to cool off. You have to allow them to cool off because you're going to be adding egg to the mixture, and you don't want to cook the eggs. Okay, so the quinoa is cooled off, so I'm going to add this to the bowl. I'm going to add the carrot mixture. I'm going to add the egg. I'm going to add the flour and the breadcrumbs. I'm using a scooper to make even amounts, so hopefully they'll be the same size. I'm just going to mash them just a little bit. So I'm going to make a couple more. And I'm going to put these in the refrigerator so that they can stiffen up just a little bit, because I don't want them to fall apart when I'm trying to fry them. So I was able to get 6 patties out of the mixture. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let it sit for about maybe a half an hour, and then I'm going to take it out and fry it. So I'm going to take this patty and I'm going to put it in some breadcrumb just to lightly coat it, so that when I fry it, it'll have a coating on the back of it. These are, you have to be very delicate with these, because they will fall apart. So I'm just going to put some oil in the bottom of the pan. I'm using olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to fry one of the patties now. Get the other patty. And don't turn the flame up too high, because you don't want to burn them. So I'm going to flip. Let's see how this one is. Yeah. Okay, so this is ready. So I'm just going to put this here. Take this one out. Well guys, these are my delicious quinoa patties. Look at that. And along with that, I'm having a salad. I'm having avocado salad with beets. So today is Meatless Tuesday. But anyway guys, I just wanted to share this recipe with you so that you can share it with your family and give it a try and see if you like it. And if you have any other versions of quinoa patties, be free to share it and leave it in the comments below. So I'm just going to add some salt and some pepper over my avocado salad. And enjoy. Thank you guys for watching how I create my delicious quinoa patties. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good night. God bless.